everyone, I'm Katie Lanneman, an infant toddler Montessori teacher and registered early childhood educator. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some ideas for exploratory gardening. Now, the age for these activities are once the child is sitting up without support, so you want them to be very sturdy, till approximately 2 years of age, maybe even beyond that. So gardening activities are fantastic for young children because they engage all of the senses and they develop all different developmental domains. So children are sensorial explorers. They want to be able to feel, they want to be able to smell, they want to be able to hear, they want to be able to explore with all of their senses. So it's really important to keep that in mind when you are inviting your child into the garden. So what you want to do is sort of find an area in your garden where your child is going to be able to explore. So a nice spot like this, where there's some dirt, where they're going to just be able to explore with their hands. It's all going to be with their hands at a very young age because that gives them the most information. So allowing them to explore with their hands, even taking off their shoes, allowing them to explore with their feet. If they want to lie down, a beautiful tree like this is fantastic. Nature's best mobile is lying underneath a tree. So just give them an opportunity to sort of sit and immerse themselves in nature and see everything that it has to offer. You can even add a little watering can with a little bit of water. Just make sure that they're going to be able to pick it up, and then they can add some water and also continue to explore with their hands. So because they're going to be engaging with the garden with all of their senses, it's really important for safety to make sure that it's an area of the garden where you're not using any fertilizers, anything like that. You want to make sure that the soil is going to be safe. If you're interested in learning about some of the developmental benefits of gardening, check out our blog post, 6 Gardening Activities for Infants and Children. I'll link to it in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, it really helps our channel if you like and subscribe. This helps other parents to find our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to comment your question below and we'll answer it in a future video. Take care. Bye.